Bronx Day is back. And it's because the Bronx deserves to have its voice heard clearly. And we want to showcase businesses, institutions, organizations that are helping drive the economy forward every day.
Shout out to South Bronx, you already know what it is, all right?
The Bronx is growing. The Bronx is blooming.
Bronx is the new frontier, and
without the contributions that each and every one of you make with your respective businesses, your nonprofits, your organizations, we couldn't create those opportunities for Bronxites to thrive. We continue to be strong advocates and make sure that our presence and our needs are understood in the halls of power like in Albany.
And they're all here because today is Bronx Day, and we haven't had Bronx Day in over 10 years, but like I said, we are back, bigger, better than ever.
Let's give it up for our changemakers one more time.
Incredible about the Bronx. It has everything you'll ever want. And people are discovering the Bronx. I think the Bronx is on fire. We're having a renaissance, and I gotta be proud to represent you.
So y'all won New York. But here in the Bronx, we just do it a little bit better. God bless you all.